If you're after an easy way to log your fishing adventures, then they don't come much easier or much more tech-infused than this, the Halasz Fishing Grip. I'm not much of a keen fisherman myself, but considering we have some tech within this newly designed fishing grip, I had to take a look. Wrapped in some attractive yet premium feeling packaging, inside we find a really nicely presented guide, although I seem to have received a non-English version, so let's disregard that for a moment, since this is seriously easy to use anyway. Even so, I'm pleased to see that the premium feel doesn't end there. This thing feels solid and has a couple of different features and functions built in. With a metal and plastic construction, it's very robust, so dropping this thing won't faze it. It's dust-proof and of course waterproof too, which makes obvious sense considering it'll be used around water for most of its life, but at the same time the hand grip is very comfortable to hold and use too. No issues with the build quality whatsoever. It really does feel premium level, along with some discreet branding dotted around and various ridges to help overall gripability while using the device in wetter conditions. The main hand grip incorporates a small backlit display too, alongside power and Bluetooth connection buttons, which we'll come back to shortly, and this will display the output recorded by the device while in use. Off to one side, covered by a rubber flap, we find a micro USB charging port, used alongside the included cable to charge the built-in battery, which should last over 10 hours of use or 30 hours standby. Although a portable power bank can of course be used for even longer sessions. As it stands, this unit covers two basic functions, weighing and recording the length of your captured fish, and in turn displaying these on the small display just above. We do that by gripping the fish using these metal claws at one end of the device. These can be released using one of the two triggers on the unit, whichever feels more comfortable to you. And with a fish in place, the unit can be held and the weight is instantly recorded and displayed, with a weight of up to 44 pounds being supported. It doesn't end there though. The circular end of the grip hides a measuring tape too, which we can pull out via the red tab, allowing the ability to quickly and easily measure the attached fish. The tape doesn't auto-retract, so stays where you place it, and again the output is shown on the backlit display, quick and easy. Once done, press a rubber-coated button to instantly retract the tape and pull back on the trigger to release the fish. It really is as easy as that. So, as a standalone unit, it works really well, no issues with build quality, and it makes weighing and recording details quick and easy. Although there's another trick up its sleeve too, and that comes in the form of an accompanying Halasz app. Freely available on both Android and iOS devices, once downloaded and an account has been created, the app allows extra functionality. Now there's still some extra work to be done here, language support for instance, but on the whole it works quite well. With various shared posts on the home screen, we even find some clans across the top for you to check out and join if you're into that sort of thing, and we can also log a catch manually by tapping the add button to input various details, as well as take an image of a capture via your smartphone's lens, although if we head across into the settings, you'll notice we can connect to the Halasz Fishing Grip with its Bluetooth connectivity. Unfortunately, I don't have a fish to test with personally, but once connected and with a fish attached, you'll be able to snap an image and it'll record not just the weight and length, but even other factors such as location and weather details too, all added via the app in a single quick and easy motion. So if you're a keen fisherman, this is something you'll definitely want to keep in your fishing gear. With a super rough and rugged construction, it's easy to use, providing the ability to quickly and easily record the weight and length of your capture within seconds. Above all else, it provides the ability to complete a full log of your captures via the smartphone app, with details such as weather and location being included too. Even if joining a clan isn't your thing as a personal device for recording and showing off your captures, the Halasz Fishing Grip is a complete package that works really well, and it's easy to recommend.